All right, good morning for today, Friday, March 8th. I want to go over two of the trades that we're currently in, Wynn Resorts, WYNN, RIG, and then I want to talk real briefly about that TBT trade that is a longer term play and where it's going to open up today and what I'm thinking, right? First one I want to take a look at, though, is Wynn, WYNN. Again, the chart that you're looking at, the top chart here, this is a weekly chart, okay? And this is the daily down here. And if you recall, we went long at 117.53. Our initial stop on this was 114.53. But if you recall, yesterday we were able to move that stop up further, so we risk much less. We moved it up to 115.63. So our initial risk on, well, our risk now, since we moved it up to 115.63, we're only risking $1.90. So $1.90 on a stock over $100 is nothing. It looks like the market's going to open up today just a little lower, 117.05. So just down about 50 cents on this trade. Again, I'll be looking for this market to hopefully break up through these highs. If the market can break up through these highs, I think the market will run even further. Again, the market, if you recall, has pulled down to a sweet spot, right? The gray action zone, right in between the 50 and the 200. If you take a note in here, look at this. I mean, the market's really consolidating. So, again, either way, the market, if the market breaks down, we lose a little bit. But if the market breaks up through these highs, if the market is able to clear up through 119.25, the next level it should be testing is about 120.68. And once we're able to clear this level, here, let me draw this. Then these highs right in here. Okay, now again, our first objective is 120.44, which is slightly below these highs. Okay, then we'll bring our stop to even. And again, if we're able to break up through those highs, the market's got that chance to come back up and try to retest these highs. Now, the market's strong. The overall market's strong, right? Actually, today the market's actually going to open up above the yearly high again. The S&P is going to open up about 7 points higher from where it closed yesterday. So the market's strong, real strong. So we'll see if Wynn Resorts can follow pursuit on that as well. Okay. Next market I want to take a look at is RIG, TransOcean. And if you recall here, we are long this market at 53.43. The market closed at 53.13. It looks like it's going to open up at about 53.30. So pretty much even on this trade. Our initial stop, and we're keeping our initial stop at 51.81, which is essentially right below this low right here, right below the daily low of March 5th. Okay. We're risking $1.62 on this only, and our first objective is a little over 55, right? 55.05. So we're really waiting. We're looking for this market to break up through these highs. There is a lot of profit potential here if the market can start clearing up through these highs here. The market can jog up and try to retest this high. So again, our stop is very it's relatively close, right? We're only risking $1.62 on this trade. Again, we're looking to bring our stops in and take a little off the table as the market gives us about $1.62 on this, up to 55.05. And so we're going to be patient on this. We're going to leave this stop at 51.81 for now. Now, on an intraday basis, if the market is able to clear up through these two highs here, right, the 54.30. If the market's able to test 54.36, which is the high of March 4th, then I will bring that stop up to below yesterday's low of 52.94. So that's my game plan for today on that stock. All right, the third market I want to look at is TBT. You've heard me talk about TBT. It's the ultra short Lehman 20-year Treasury bond. Okay, this is an interest rate play. And this has been a longer term play for me, actually, for quite a while. Now remember, if this rings a bell, it's like what I've called the trade of the decade, right? If you think that interest rates are going to stay at these historical lows forever, then this isn't for you. Okay, so once interest rates start inching higher, right, the TBT will go up in price. So there's a big potential for the upside for this market, for the TBT ETF to move higher. Okay, so I've been positioned in this ETF for actually quite a while. Okay, quite a while. And today the market is actually going to open at 69. Look at this, 69.46. So take a look at the price action in here. Now again, just trading it short term. I mean, look at the market popped up to this high. Now again, let's just go back a little bit. Okay, the green bars started off right in here, right? We started clearing up through the 50 exponential, rallied up. Blue action zone, gray action zone right in here. Supported price, market bounced up to this high, came down. Big movement down into this level in here. This is really a good buy signal. Again, for short-term traders, just in and out, swing trading, this would be the trade. As you can see, the market, look at it so far, has really bounced nicely. Closed yesterday, look at this, at 63.03. Market's going to open up at 69.48. Okay, so that blows through this high. This high is 69.15. This high over here is 69 even. So we're opening up almost a half a point higher than these ledge highs. These highs, I call them ledge highs, right? They're pretty much equal highs. We've kind of got to pretty much have a trading range in here, right? A trading range in here. Market broke down through that range pretty much by an equal distance of the range. That from high to low of this range, broke down, caught it here, bounced up. Now, if you look up here, this is a weekly chart. Now, obviously, a weekly chart, market's been down for a long time, for years actually, right? So on today's open, it looks like the market will start finally breaking up through the 50 exponential moving average. So 69 is, we're up into this gray action zone. So on a weekly chart, yes, we're hitting resistance, but we are starting to break up through levels where this could start to roll over and start moving higher. So again, this is inverse of the 30-year T-bond futures, right? 30-year T-bond futures, when they go down, this goes up in price. So again, as T-bond futures, the 30-year T-bond futures go down, the TBT goes higher. So basically, TBT is an interest rate play. So that's what to look out for. That's what I'm doing. And if you've got any questions whatsoever, let me know. Have a profitable day and a great weekend. Bye for now.